Hey there, Sunshine! So today we're going to be unboxing July's Ipsy Unbagging, and if you did not see, I literally just finished filming my Sephora Play unboxing for July. So if you haven't already, go check that out because I talk a little bit about why I'm not wearing makeup, why my hair's so wet, and I'm in my pajamas. But with that said, let's see what is in our July Ipsy Unbagging. I honestly cannot tell you whether I'm feeling excited or if I'm not feeling excited for this. I don't know. I'm disappointed by this month's Sephora play, so I guess I'm like already kind of like, Ipsy's gonna suck too, I guess. But yeah, so I'm pulling it out, and I think we were already off to a good start because look how cute this bag is. I get mermaid vibes. Okay, so they put a little plastic wrap on the Ipsy zipper, which is strange. But this is what it looks like. It does look like the zipper's really dirty. What the heckin'? Why do I constantly have this problem with Ipsy? Literally. Oh my gosh. Okay. But I'm not going to freak out because it's just a zipper. It's just a zipper. Things happen. I don't know why it's dirty, but it makes me a little nervous. I have it open. Like, this is like, I literally just got this last night. This is the first time I've ever opened it, so I literally got it like this. So I'm nervous on why, and I hope everything inside is like, okay, we don't have another like situation where they sent me used tweezers. But let's not harp on that. Let's talk about how really cute this bag is. But I mean, like, do you guys see what I'm talking about? Where it's like, it looks dirty. Like, you know? Okay, so here's the bag. It's super cute, blue, holographic, super fun. Okay, so I'm going to try and pull out the card first and see what we got going. So this is July 2018 Ipsy. And then it has a lot of reading on the back. I never read the Ipsy cards. I don't know why. So the first thing that I'm pulling out, oh, I totally forgot to tell you guys. Ipsy is $10 a month. You get 4 to 5 samples in it. Yeah, okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this giant thing. It says Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts, Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. Hydrate and refresh, enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. So it's a body lotion. Okay, let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells so lovely. Oh my gosh, I think I just found like the scent of my dreams. Maybe, possibly. Let's not get our hopes up yet. So it's really like, it's a bright yellow, which is super fun. And it's a huge bottle too. Okay, so I'm rubbing it in. I smell so good. Oh my gosh, I hope they have this in a perfume because I would most definitely wear this as a perfume. I may have put too much on because like literally there's still like a lot that I'm trying to rub in. But how many ounces is this? I don't know. 2.25 fluid. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, 2.25 fluid ounces. So like this is like, for my hand comparison, this is pretty large. This is actually like a really, really big sample, and that's gonna last me like 10 to 15 uses. And it's a little strong, but I love the smell so much. And my skin feels really soft now. I'm really, really excited. I really like that smell like so much. Okay, so far so good. The next thing that I'm pulling out of my Ipsy bag is this Ico London travel size skinny liquid eyeliner, line and define. So I have gotten something from Ico from my Ipsy bag before, and I like it. It was a mascara, I think. It was a fiber mascara. So I'm excited to see what this is like. So it says precise, smudge proof, and pitch black. Our easy to use pen delivers precision point perfection and long lasting vinyl black color. Key ingredient algae extract ensures color glides on for smooth, quick dry, smudge proof finish. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna have to test it on the back of our other hand because this hand's a lotion hand now. And this is my left hand, so hopefully I can at least create some sort of like even line. Can you guys see? Boom. Okay, I'm gonna give it a second to dry. And we're gonna come back and see if it's smudge proof. But this is like the size of like the Kat Von D travel eyeliner. So, oh my gosh, the pineapple smells so good. I was like, oh my god, does this smell like pineapple too? But no, it's my arm. I smell tropical and fun and fruity. So, okay, so we got a liquid eyeliner. That's not horrible. And it's from a brand that I've seen before, so I'm liking that I'm seeing some, like, two familiar brands so far in my Ipsy bag. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this gorgeous brush. It's from Elizabeth Mott Tapered Blending Brush. I'm having a hard time getting it out of the packaging because I have lotion hands. Oh my gosh, so this is like a light lavender, and this is like, it looks like a rose gold ferrule, which is this metal part right here. And I have to say, because I say it every time I see purple, I want my hair to be this color purple. If you guys see me having purple hair, you know I'm living my best life. So all of the writing is in like matte gray, and this is just a blending brush, so that's really exciting, and I really love the purple. I'm seeing so much rose gold and so many pinks, but I have not yet seen a purple makeup brush, so that's really exciting. Let's test this out. This feels dry. Whoa, hold up. Okay, I mean, I am going like a little ham, and I do have lotion hands, so it has oil which breaks down these type of products, but I mean, like, I'm like going ham, and it has just a tiny bit of smudging, nothing horrible, and that's with my lotion hands, so they're greasy. But at first, the first couple of swipes, it actually withstood really well, so I'm not gonna judge it yet. Well, actually, nope. This has lotion hands too. Both of my hands have lotion on them. Ugh. I wish I had unboxed the eyeliner first, because like I had really high hopes for this eyeliner, and I think it actually would be like really nice if I didn't have lotion on my hands. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is Pure Heat's Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So that's really cool. So we got a peel off charcoal mask made in Korea. So 2 skincare items, which isn't horrible so far. We got like a body skincare and like a face skincare. So cool. We have one more thing to unbox, and that is this tiny baby pencil. Lord & Berry Mandarin Lip Liner. It's a really pretty orange. I have never seen a lipstick, let alone a lip liner in this color, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. Wow, look how bright and fun that is. I actually really love this color. I can't wait to see. Give me a second to put it on, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the lip liner on, and this is a gorgeous color. I would love to see a lipstick paired with this. I've never seen a lip color like this before ever. So if you guys know where I could get like a mandarin orange, like a bright pink orange lipstick, please let me know, because this is a gorgeous color. Okay, so for this month's Ipsy, we got a sweet pineapple on honey melon body lotion. This is an absolute win. We got a pore cleaning black charcoal mask, which is whatever, not super exciting. Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. I like this. This actually seemed to work pretty well against my like finger smudging, besides my greasy lotion hands. We got a pretty makeup brush. I love the lavender. It's a makeup brush. I love getting makeup brushes in my subscription boxes, especially from Ipsy, because I do feel like that kind of makes things a little bit more interesting. And we got a we got a lip liner pencil from Lord & Berry in a bright pinky orange mandarin color, or as they describe it as mandarin. So I had to say, I think my favorite 2 items are this sweet pineapple and honey melon lotion and the lip liner. So that is it for my July Ipsy unbagging. What did you guys think of this bag? I'm actually way more impressed with my Ipsy bag than I am with my Sephora play. Like, Ipsy won, and between Ipsy and Sephora play, Ipsy definitely won this month. I feel like it was a lot better rounded, and I actually got products that I was genuinely excited to like try out and use and have in my collection. So what did you guys think of my July Ipsy unbagging? What was your favorite item? What was something that you would like to see in there? Do you have any products in there that you absolutely hate? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.